Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
What's good, YouTube? It's the boy Damon back with another video, and today I'm gonna be cutting up to tune my G80. Feel me? So this is what my G80 sounds like without a tune. Pretty stock. Can't really hear anything. That's what it sounds like before the tune. Cutting up right now to go tune my G80. So yeah, let's get it, bro. This car is kind of slow to me when it's not tuned, but it's got a nice speed to it. It's okay. I genuinely can't wait for the tune, bro. Like, listen to these small ass burbles, bro. Like, this shit is annoying, bro. Can't wait to tune this shit. This shit gonna be loud as fuck. When I go through the place, niggas gonna hear me pulling up. Dead ass. Coming in hot. Focus the recording. How the fuck do I even take this shit off, bro? I don't even know how to take this shit off. Alright chat, so as you can see, I just got logged into the MHD. I'm gonna tune this car right now, so this is gonna go crazy. So make sure y'all like and subscribe, turn post notifications on, because the next video that I post will be with my M3 tuned. You feel me? Gonna be giving y'all a POV with the M3 being tuned. You feel me? So make sure y'all like and subscribe, turn post notifications on, and I'm gonna catch you in the next one. Peace.